Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this podcast, I'm going to discuss about eighth aphorism according to Organon of Medicine, sixth edition. So let's get started. So eighth aphorism, it is not conceivable nor can it be proved by any experience in the world that after removal of all the symptoms of the disease and of the entire collection of the perceptible phenomena, there should or could remain anything else besides health, or that the morbid alteration in the interior could remain uneradicated. So, in this aphorism, Hahnemann is explaining the misconception that allopaths generally hold, that homeopathy can just give you relief from symptoms, but it doesn't remove the disease from the body in its whole extent. So there is a footnote to this aphorism, which is very important footnote. That is his response to one of famous old school physician called Hofland. So this is a very important topic, and it's generally asked in theory examination as well. So according to the footnote, when a patient has been cured of his disease by a true physician in such a manner that no trace of the disease, no morbid symptom remains, and all the signs of health have permanently returned, how can anyone, without offering an insult to common sense, affirm in such an individual the whole bodily disease still remains in the interior, and yet the chief of the old school bodily disease still remains in the interior? And yet the chief of the old school, Hofland, asserts this in the following words: homeopathy can remove the symptoms, but the disease remains. So there is a description of the thing where it is written in. It is Wide Homeopathy, page 27, 1 and 19. This he remains partly from mortification at the progress made by the homeopathy to the benefit of the mankind, partly because he still holds thoroughly material notions respecting disease, which he is still unable to regard as a state of being of the organism, wherein it is dynamically altered by the morbidly deranged vital force as an altered state of health. But he views the disease as something material, which, after the cure is completed, may still remain lurking in some corner in the interior of the body, in order someday, during the most vigorous health, to burst forth at its pleasure with its material presence. So dreadful is still the blindness of the old pathology. No wonder that it could only produce a system of therapeutics which is solely occupied with scouring out the poor patient. So, what he means to say is, allopathy already, most of the time think that there is almost material cause of any kind of disease or disturbance that occurs. So they think if symptoms are gone, there may be presence of the disease in somewhere in the body, but it's not being visible, and it may come out in some or the other point. So that is what they think according to Hahnemann. So Hahnemann says that they think in such a way because that homeopathy can remove only symptoms but not disease, because they see symptoms to be caused due to some material cause and not due to dynamic alteration of the vitality, and the symptoms are external manifestation of internally deranged vital force. So they are not aware of that fact. So hence their ideas are also in alignment with that only. They don't believe in dynamism, and they think that just mere removal of symptoms is not the removal of disease as such. So this is footnote, and it is in response to the Hofland's comments. So that is for this podcast. Hope this podcast was helpful. If so, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Till then, have a great day and bye bye.